Welcome, Kris from Eboost here. Today, we're diving into a critical challenge for the modern marketing leader. Why scaling AI feels like an uphill battle, despite massive investments. We're going to identify the structural shifts needed to move from fragmented experiments to production-grade growth. Most marketing organizations view data as the exhaust of their ad spend, a report you look at on Friday to see if your ROAS was okay. To scale advertising while investing in AI, you have to flip that. Data is an asset. When you look at AI usage beyond content creation or producing creatives, AI could be in any part of your marketing operations. But what is common in AI under marketing is making sure you are working with good solid data. It is the gasoline for AI. If your data is fragmented across Google, Meta, or CRM, your AI will never have the context it needs to make high-level decisions. If we need to move towards level of maturity where your marketing data dictates your strategy that drives profitability and not just growth. Beyond data pipeline between your customers' digital touchpoints and the app platforms, there are many backend data that should be managed and integrated with various systems. This entire system is the asset I'm referring to. Having the ability to leverage such first-party data in advertising will bring the whole new approach in managing ads, as well as building good hypotheses to test. Scaling isn't about the model, it's about the data plumbing. You can have the most sophisticated LLM in the world as your tool and deal with the most sophisticated AI capabilities, but if your data is brittle, manually created, your ROI will deteriorate the moment you try to scale. Operational readiness means your systems are built to support AI scale, meaning automated feedbacks, loops, and clean, governed data products that any department can leverage. It's very important. Here's one example when things go bad. A case where the meta algorithm changed and current campaign structure and ad creative cadence wasn't aligned to the new playbook. As you can see, something changed on the platform side and all of a sudden the conversion tanks. A pretty horrific scenario, right? Finally, we need diagnostic clarity. This is where most leaders struggle. Is your AI strategy solving a business problem, like margin expansion, or is it just a shiny new tool? You need a governance framework that ensures your AI doesn't just work, but works on your brand and on budget. As Eboost, we help you find that clarity so you can stop chasing algorithm and start building good data foundation that scales your advertising efforts. Here's a use case from our work. It's basically a PE firm's valuing the hospitality sector and wanted to kind of buy them out. But it turns out the data was so messy. We went in and kind of audited it and really fixed it, working with the CMOs, CTOs. And it turned out it was a good investment for them. It eliminated a lot of critical data impediments, provided validated market performance data, and it allowed them the confidence to kind of go in to be able to answer all the questions that the buyers kind of asked for. So finally, let's talk about your specific needs. If you're ready to stop putting out data fires and start building a scalable AI-ready foundation for marketing, let's talk. Visit us at eboostconsulting.com to schedule a strategy call. Thank you.